In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an old non-load rated ceiling box with a new load rated box for a fan. The step is to remove your old fan and remove all of the wires. You will need to pull up these wires through the old ceiling box, so it's best to identify them in some way. I've put tape on them, identifying which wires will go together. Always shut off the breaker before handling electrical wires.
Remove the ceiling box, you will have to remove whatever's holding it on the stud right here. In my case, it's just a little nail, so I'm going to pry that off. You'll also need to pull the wires through before you remove the box.
You will then need to punch these through. The next step is to pre-drill the hole. I'm using a drill bit that's just slightly smaller than the minor diameter of your lag screw. So when you compare like this, it should be roughly the size of the solid part of your screw. The next step is to hold your bracket flush with the top of the drywall. In this case, it's crumbling right here around the edges, so I'm trying to account for that. I'm putting it up flush against the bottom of the stud right here, so I know for sure where it is. I'm then going to center it left and right in relation to the hole in the ceiling. So after making sure it's centered left and right and at least flush with the bottom of the stud, you can drill your holes. I'm going to push it slightly up above the bottom of the stud to make sure I have enough clearance. I'm going to get my drill bit and start a hole. These holes are angled in the bracket directly, so I could just drill in. Once you have your hole started, you can remove the bracket and drill at the same angle. To drill the hole, move the drill bit in roughly 1/4 inch, move it back out and let the shavings be removed, then go another 1/4 inch in and keep on moving back and forth to allow it to drill efficiently. After drilling the center hole, I'm going to put the center lag screw in. After securing the bracket with the middle lag screw, I've done a test fit. All I've done is put one screw with the box to make sure everything fits correctly. Now that I know it fits correctly, I'm going to take it down, drill the other 2 holes, and put the other 2 lag screws in. After drilling and putting the lag screws, I'm going to now put in the junction box. Once I've put the screws in with the drill, I'm going to make sure and torque them down with the screwdriver. Don't forget to put your lock washer before you put in the screw. Make sure everything feels solid. Once you have pushed the wires through the knockout holes, you will then need to bundle them together, and then you can install your light fixture.